RSV vaccines elicit antibodies that recognize the shape of fusion proteins. Once bound, they physically block the virus from attaching. To avoid this, the virus will frequently change the shape of its surface proteins to avoid the antibodies. So something vital is required to lock this protein into shape. At Calder, we can do just that using our 3D Vaxlock technology. Let's imagine this twisted up rubber band is a protein. In this correct shape, it would elicit antibodies that bind and neutralize the virus when it shows up. But if you let it unravel, it'll elicit antibodies that can't recognize the virus and that won't protect. At Calder, we put molecular staples into proteins. We form crosslinks between tyrosine side chains engineered to be in close structural proximity to each other. These carbon-carbon bonds are irreversible and lock the protein in its most potent 3D shape. Our vaccines then not only hold their correct shape longer on the shelf, but also after they're injected into someone's arm. Responses to our vaccines are amplified at least 10-fold, meaning that vulnerable people will mount far more protective responses to smaller and safer doses. These responses are focused on neutralizing epitopes that have prolonged in vivo exposure and elicit much better neutralizing antibody responses. This enhances vaccines' safety and efficacy and lowers their risk and cost of development. Simultaneously, we lower their cost of goods and reduce their need for cold chain storage. The stability of a vaccine is key, and Calder has the 3D Vaxlock to secure it.